Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download YouTube videos directly from YouTube's website. It's pretty damn easy. I'm not going to show you how to download the YouTube videos from like these converting websites. I'm going to go on these converting websites to show you suggestions and for some reasons why you want to download videos is for one, maybe you're looking for non-copyrighted music and you want to download the MP3, and you could do that, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And for maybe, I do this a lot, maybe you want to download like a meme video to put out something funny that is relatable for your audience, or you want to download B-roll or some clip from another creator and you got permission to use. That's a couple reasons why you want to know how to download videos on YouTube. And anywho, I'm going to go on my PC and screen record to show you how to do that. Alright guys, I'm on my PC now. I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos in 2021. So here is the VLC media player it looks like when you open it. Alright, so I'm going to have a link down below in the description so you can, download this for yourself. And now what you need to do is go open Google Chrome or internet browser like Microsoft Edge or anything, Firefox, whatever it is, and go on Google, search Alright, now you're on the YouTube's homepage. It doesn't really matter which video you do. It doesn't matter if it's on the homepage, Explore page, or your subscriptions. All you need to do is find a video and stick with it, right? Because you just need the YouTube link to make this work. So for this example, for the video, is I'm going to go meme 21, the 21 meme, alright? And it doesn't really matter if it's the original or it's not the original. Just click on it.
You stupid.
Oh, it kind of looks like this person's screen record. I think this is original.
You stupid.
Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so you could also do this when you're screen recording on OBS or any open broadcaster software. So what I'm going to do now is, see this? This is the link for the video. All you do is copy that. Let me minimize this. Open VLC media player, and all you do is go to media, open network stream. Then here is where you paste the link of the video, right? And then click play.
You stupid.
Alright, basically, and this is a good program to use if you're having problems on YouTube's website, and it performs very well on here. And so the second thing you need to do on VLC Media Player, you need to go to Tools, Codec Information, or Control plus J, I think it's Command J on Macintosh. Okay, here it is. Right here, and yeah, right here. Don't focus on this stuff, focus on the location, and this, select everything and then copy it. You make sure you copy the whole Kodak information location. It's called the Kodak information. Then open Google again. You could either, paste it in here or open a new tab like I'm going to do right now. I'm going to paste the Kodak information, enter.
You stupid.
And I got the video right here. And the last thing you need to do to download this video is, see these 3 dots? Select that. And I'm pretty sure you could, I don't know. Yeah, just select that and then download. And you got the video in your downloads, right? And when I go to files, files is over here now. Go to downloads. Where's downloads? And you got the video right there. You select the video.
You stupid. What's 9 plus 10?
Video.
21.
You stupid.
Okay, there it goes. Yeah, here's the video. It went on my other monitor. Sorry about that. So anyways, you got the video in there. You could rename it to anything you want, really. And I'm just going to say meme 21, so I don't want to forget what meme it is. So the other thing I'm going to show you now, how for like MP3s, that was an MP4, and unfortunately I couldn't figure out how to like download the video as an MP3 in VLC media player. And what I'm going to do is, let me close that, and yeah, let me keep that. Anyways, this is like one of the safest website converters I found, and it has ads in it. You know, it's not really that bad at all, but I found it as the safest when you want to download MP3s for music. And I use this website, YTMP3. If you read this, YouTube to MP3, by using our converter, you can easily convert YouTube videos to MP3 audio or MP4 files and download them for free, blah, blah, service. And it talks about term and service. You just need the URL, and then you convert it and you download. You could use Dropbox to download it. And then sometimes MP4 doesn't really work, but that's why I use MP3. So anyways, what I do now is, when you're looking for non-copyrighted music or anything on YouTube, you want it to be a MP3, is you go on YouTube, okay, and this is what I do. I go like I got the caps on, non-copyrighted music, okay? Alright, so, and this is like my favorite channel to find my copyrighted music is 1261 Clan, and they have like the best non-copyrighted music. And anyways, what you do now is just click on a copyrighted library song video, and yeah, and so basically a lot of these videos have like timestamps of like songs, alright? So let me see which song out of these I like. Let me play this one. Okay, for example, let's say I want to download this video. Not this video, I mean this song. Sorry. And what I do is I just kind of like search like this, kind of like try to remember that, and then I open YouTube on the other tab, and then Hertz, like what? Hertz like this. Yeah, it's by the artist, right? And so I just select the song. When it hurts like this. And I'm just double checking it's by the same artist. EMDI feature Veronica, right? Veronica Bravo. So, okay, when you get the video for the song you want to download, is same thing. You copy the link and go to your YouTube to MP3 converter. And you paste the link there. Convert. Finds the video. All right. Alright, so, and don't press anything of this, that's an ad. And yeah, so when you click MP4, just do MP3 to download this as an MP3 for the song, and you just click download. And there it is, it downloads. Alright, and when I go to my downloads, my files, go to downloads, let me see where's my downloads are. Downloads. And when I click this, okay, there it is. I got the song. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Alright, that's how you basically download videos, MP4s and MP3s. If you want to use this method to, you know, download your non-copyrighted music or any type of music, if it's copyrighted, whatever you want to download that, or download non-copyrighted music for videos on YouTube or any type of videos out there, whatever you want to use it for. Download memes or anything necessary legally. You want to download videos that is copyrighted on, make sure you have permission for. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and see you next time.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest